are entering the tunnel right now. Get over this. That right there is a preview of what you're hearing. That is from the stock exhaust. I don't believe it. I didn't believe it at all when I heard it either. So I had to get out and look under the car, okay? Stay tuned to find out. Make sure you like and subscribe for future content. It's going down. But this car obviously is gonna handle way better than the Challenger which I came from. Because these are used in NASCAR racing, believe it or not. I see one of these in a different state, in a different country, as a matter of fact, a different continent. They were representing the Bald Eagles, bro. They had the Bald Eagles going crazy on the NASCAR track. I will be doing a full review to this shit later. I'm just doing a late night cruise right now. Could you tell where my head was at when you found me? Why these niggas going so fucking slow? Why this bitch ass dude going 70 when the speed limit's obviously 65? Look at them, they know what's going on. I'm gonna show you what. That was a few of the pulls I could get over there on the interstate. But now we back on the back roads, and I see it's a 5th gen Camaro. I think he's trying to get into something. We gonna find out together. Let's see what he sound like. Let's see. Let's see. He ain't on nothing, bro. There we go. Yes, sir. Got that Camaro right there. Even though it's a V6, we still love V6s over here, y'all. I met this guy yesterday right here at the gas station, just randomly out of nowhere. Bro, what? What's going on, bro? What? What's going on? What did I manage to get myself into? I'm telling you, these cameras attract random people doing crazy stuff, bro. It's just a random. You know
that?
Huh?
Imagine Hellcat and Shelby ZL1.
Alright though. Alright y'all, thank y'all for watching the video. This was a little quick random one, just random video out of nowhere. Crazy, y'all. Jesus Christ. I got an Audi behind me ready to get turned, but traffic is acting like a little girl. Listen. Oh, he squeezed that motherfucker. Okay. He squeezed. Okay, car, calm down. He squeezed to that shit with ease. What's going on tonight, bro? Look at this. What is this right here, y'all? I guess I don't need to be speeding, okay? No shot he letting the 18-wheeler pass him by, bro. No shot. Here you go. Let's see. Let's see what you got, bro. Let's see what you got. Oh, shit. Get rid, nigga, bro. Audi's gone, bro. I lost Audi because I didn't decide to swim like everybody else, bro. There you go, he's back. He waited for me. He a real nigga, bro. He waited for me, bro. Slow down. They don't know smoke.
Nice.
or some shit, bro? As you can see from this that alone, this Camaro attracts somehow more people than what my Challenger did. I don't know how, but I've made more friends already in this Camaro than I have in a Challenger. You know what they say, Chevy baby. Do I dare? Nah. Anyways, hope you guys have a good one. Make sure you like and subscribe for more content just like this. Make sure to like and subscribe. Leave a comment on what I should do to the Camaro next. Make sure you guys have a good one. We got a little cruise to Wawa today, y'all. Something light, nothing too serious. I might
be with his son.
Yeah, I'm with my son, y'all. We can just turn up there and go up, bro. That wasn't even on purpose either. There she go. She did it. There she goes. She did it. Now we gotta get Anthony to do it. There you go. Yeah, you can't cut the lights all the way off.
You can't cut them off.
That's all he can do. Look, that's all they can do. That's what I hate about Challengers,
Man,
bro.
Shit,
yeah, the ghost back there, y'all.
Dick ride.
Everything you've seen in these videos is AI. I've been recording like every day for the whole week, so this is gonna be a whole week vlog right here, bro. This is my late night shit, my late night shenanigans in the LT1 Camaro, bro. The late night shenanigans with the guys. Hey, turned out he actually do got a haircut. I thought he was capping, but he was not capping. You see, we all pulled up to the Wawa today. Corvette, C4, C5, Z01, SRT Hellcat right here. You see it. Something like nothing too serious.
I want you though.
Hey, yo, what the heck is this, bro? He got nut on his shirt, bro. What he got going, bro? He got nutted on there, bro. They heading on out of here today. That should sound like a scat. She go, nah.
Oh, that shit pops when mine does.
That shit's cooler too.
That's fair.
There we go. Okay. Oh shit. Okay. You were that? Yeah. I didn't see them when we was driving. I seen. We finna die. Bitch, look. We finna die, bro. Do that shit right beside the damn pump. There you go. I know how to speak English. Yeah. You ever play GTA?
You guys are good. I need you to move to the side. You blocked my box.
That's the first.
Everything you've seen in these videos is AI.